Hello, happy good morning, happy good Sunday morning. Is it first or second Advent Sunday or third? Probably second. Let's call it a second. I keep no track. Spend the last half hour just checking if my microphone is well plugged in and if my secondary microphone is the iPhone that is closer to me rather than the capture device, which was the unfortunate setting yesterday. I know no one cares, I care. It is what it is. Forgot to put on cream today as I was doing skincare. I'm planning to go outside today, so today it's the Clinique with SPF rather than a classic one and then adding SPF on top of it. I swear to God, everything is acting out. Okay, you stop freezing. We just need to get through this. Today is Sunday. I do have a few errands to run, some grocery shopping to do, parcels to pick up, etc. So I've decided to go back to the Naked 3 palette. I was debating whether to use the new nude, the Huda Beauty, or whether to just do something from the Naked 3 and the Naked 3 one, and that is the end of the story. I know. Let's talk Christmas, okay? So I used to do lots of baking, like gingerbread man and other little bits and bobs. And I'm thinking that this year I just tone it down. I mean, partially it was because I cook vegan and the selection of vegan food outside was just really limited, 10 years ago. Now it's gotten loads better, and that's exciting, obviously, for obvious reasons, because sometimes I'm just lazy. And that all brings me to my point being, maybe I don't have to do all the things, maybe I can, because then I feel like we have to eat it so that it doesn't go wrong. Then we just keep eating all the foods and it's just not really great. So I want to sit down today and really have a think about what I'm going to be cooking over the holidays for the family, or just everything that we have planned. And then I want to start making lists for groceries and really start shopping for it, because first of all I'm afraid, and secondly I don't really like to do big shops. I go for smaller shops because it forces me to go out, forces me to get a little walk in, and that's actually kind of nice. Alright, so as I said, today going back into the Naked 3. So the shades in the Naked 3 palette not changed since we used it the last time, and I am going to start with the shade Strange. I'm going to go with the lightest one. I think I lost the brush, so I'm using my Sephora number 8 all over eyeshadow brush. I genuinely love this brush and it just makes it very easy for me to work with. Maybe it is because I've been using these brushes forever now, so I've learned to like them. That was the light one. Now I'm going to go into a shade called Factory. Am I doing a good makeup YouTuber job, although I'm not a makeup YouTuber? I'm very pigmented, this one, so I need to be careful as I do this. Symmetrical, somewhat. I feel like it's not bad. Listen, either I have approached an extremely dangerous state where I think this is not bad and it's extremely bad and I'm just delusional, or it's actually not bad. So yeah, state of delusion or better makeup skills. By the way, I know you probably know this, but just wanted to confirm that I do cut out lots of time that I spend maybe blending something out. It seems like I'm extremely speedy with the makeup. It's probably because I cut out 2 minutes of me doing this. I don't know what the YouTube etiquette is. Do I say that? Is it implied? Big questions, you know? Big questions. Back and forth all over. And just gently blend here. Okay, I'm actually quite happy with this. Don't jinx it, Linda. I'm gonna do the same thing as I did yesterday. Just a bit of primer. You could also use, if you have liquid eyeshadow or shadow stick, it can be helpful. Brown one, I can either go with a golden one or with like a pinkish shimmery one. This palette has fantastic pinky ones. Either of these, the Buzz or Burnout, would go great. I am going to go with the Burnout. I do have a liquid eyeshadow that is this glimmery pink, and I really enjoy it. I would normally use that one, but we're using just the palette, so I don't want to cheat. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with blending brush and just like lightly swipe over it so that the sort of borders that I created blend into each other and it doesn't look that harsh. Eyeliner. So I've got 2 eyeliners. I didn't want to continue the Fenty Beauty hype train. Brought Rare Beauty eyeliner. This pen. I'm horrible when it comes to eyeliner. I am 100% one of those people that keeps adding to it and tries to make it better, but I'm gonna follow my waterline up slightly, make a short stroke. Same here, and then we're just gonna connect it. Look, I'm not gonna lie, it used to be loads better for eyeliner, and here we are. Okay, so this eye. Alright, that took me at least 5 minutes. They are slightly different, but I'm also like, Banana Bright stick. I'm going to put a little bit of primer under my brow and then also into my inner corners. I'm going to use the shade Limit. Put that under my brow. And I'm going to go over my bottom of lower lid. Okay. Really need to thread my brows today. Highlighter on the inside of the corner. Highlighter inside the corner. Brush it over here, brush it over here. It's drag all the way up here, which I kind of like. That's the eyes. Now mascara. Okie dokie. I remembered I've got this setting powder. It's Pro Filter by Fenty Beauty, shade 2 Butter. It's white as heck. Comes with a tiny puff. And I'm going to use the puff. I'm going to use my kabuki brush. I think that this setting powder was the first powder that I've actually tried. Like, why do I powder? And voila. Alright, I think this is errands and shop appropriate. What do you reckon? I am going to go make all my lists. I'm gonna go get all the errands done and I'll see you for day 9 tomorrow. Thanks for being here. Bye.